In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make a gas mask in Grounded 2. So when you're in your base, you can go to your workbench right here, then click on armor right here, and then scroll down and find gas mask. So you need Weevil Nose, and Weevil Nose you will get from those small weevils that run around here and there. They don't attack you, you just kill them for their meat, and sometimes they also drop the Weevil Nose and you need to pick it up. And this can be found randomly everywhere on the map, to be honest. There's no specific one location that I found that there's like a lot of them. So just run around and you will be able to find some for sure. Gnat Fuzz, you will be able to find those gnats, around like small ponds and stuff like that. So for example, I think this is water, I think here and stuff like that. Like in all of those ponds right here, you will be able to find gnats, and you will be able to also get the Gnat Fuzz. And Crude Rope you should already know how to get. A Stink Bug part might be the one that is the hardest one out of all of those, and you will be able to find stink bugs. I was able to find them around this area right here. So if I scroll up, this is the snack bar front, the first area in the map. And I was able to find lots of stink bugs right here. Be careful though, they actually are quite hard to beat sometimes. So when you have all of these items right here, you can just go ahead and craft it right here. And yeah, have full inventory of course, but yeah, as you can see, this is gas mask, and yeah, basically this is exactly how to create one.